In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zestmoney Emi while shopping on Amazon. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to make purchases with ease and flexibility, utilizing the financial benefits that Zestmoney offers. So let's dive in and make your shopping experience smoother and more affordable with these steps. First, you need to get a Zestmoney credit limit. To start, head over to the Zestmoney website or download their app on your smartphone. Begin by creating an account. During registration, you'll be asked to verify your mobile number, a step that's crucial for activating your account. Keep your phone handy to quickly enter any verification codes you might receive. Once you've successfully created your account, it's time to activate your credit limit. This involves completing your profile with the necessary details and submitting your KYC documents. The KYC process is essential for confirming your identity, so ensure you have your ID documents ready. After this step, set up your repayment method, which allows Zestmoney to process your EMI transactions seamlessly. Now, if Zestmoney is offering a special Amazon Pay gift card for purchases, you can opt to get one. This is an excellent way to prepare for your shopping on Amazon, especially if you have a specific amount in mind for your purchase. With this, you're all set with your credit limit and ready to enjoy shopping on Amazon. Next, let's move on to using Zestmoney as your payment option on Amazon. First, browse through Amazon's vast product selection and add your desired items to the cart. Whether you're purchasing electronics, household items, or anything in between, Amazon has a comprehensive inventory to explore. Once you've made your selections, proceed to checkout. Here comes the crucial part. During the payment process, you need to select Zestmoney as your payment method. It should appear as an option alongside other methods like credit cards and net banking. After selecting Zestmoney, you'll be prompted to choose an EMI plan that suits your needs. Zestmoney offers different EMI options for you to select from based on your budget and preferences. Take a moment to review these plans and pick the one that fits best with your financial plans. With your plan selected, proceed to confirm the details of your order and your chosen EMI plan. Make sure everything looks correct before you finalize your purchase. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to make your purchases using Zestmoney Emi on Amazon in a way that's both convenient and budget-friendly. Enjoy shopping with the ease and flexibility Zestmoney brings to your online shopping experience.